Open YouTube right now and search Bitcoin. Every video is the same. The bubble is about to pop. It's rigged. The situation is worse than you think. Watch immediately. These videos get hundreds of thousands of views. The creators posting them have been saying the same thing for years. Sometimes they're right, sometimes they're wrong. But they post every single week regardless. This video explains why that's happening, what it's doing to your decision-making, and what to actually do instead. Here is the business model of a fear-based crypto channel. Anxiety drives clicks. A title that says Bitcoin is stable and fundamentals look solid gets 2,000 views. A title that says the bubble is about to pop gets 200,000 views. The creator doesn't get paid to be right. They get paid per view. Their financial incentive is to produce content that makes you feel urgent, scared, and uncertain, because that feeling makes you click. Every single day. This isn't a conspiracy, it's just how YouTube advertising works. The algorithm rewards emotional engagement. Fear is the most reliable emotional trigger available. The result is a content ecosystem permanently set to maximum alarm. When Bitcoin drops 10%, the title is Crypto is Collapsing. When Bitcoin rises 10%, the title is This is the Calm Before the Crash. When nothing happens, the title is You have 5 months before everything changes. The narrative shifts to fit the emotion, not the data. And if you're consuming this daily, your perception of the market becomes permanently distorted. You think the sky is always about to fall because the content you're watching tells you that every single day. Here's what the data actually shows. Bitcoin has been declared dead 476 times since 2010. There's a website that tracks every obituary, articles and videos declaring Bitcoin finished, a scam, or about to collapse. It recovered from every single one. This doesn't mean Bitcoin can't fail. It means the people predicting its failure have been wrong 476 consecutive times. At what point do you stop weighting their opinion heavily? The "it's rigged" narrative is the most dangerous one for beginners. Yes, large players, institutions, whales, market makers, have advantages over retail investors. That's true of every financial market. Stocks, forex, commodities, all of them have sophisticated players with more information, more capital, and faster execution than individual investors. The answer to this isn't to panic. The answer is to stop trying to compete on their terms. A whale is trading in and out of positions daily. You don't need to do that. You need to hold a well-researched position over years. The whale's short-term advantage doesn't affect your long-term thesis. The bubble question is the one that gets asked every cycle. Is this a bubble? Here's the framework. A bubble exists when an asset's price is disconnected from any reasonable valuation based on fundamentals or expected future cash flows. Bitcoin doesn't have cash flows, neither does gold. Both are valued by belief in their properties, scarcity, decentralization, store of value. Whether that belief is rational or a bubble depends on your philosophical view of money. Smart economists have disagreed on this for 15 years. Pretending a YouTube video can settle that question in 10 minutes is dishonest. Any creator giving you a confident, yes it's a bubble, or no it's not, is giving you their opinion dressed up as analysis. What you should actually do. 1. Stop consuming daily crypto news and market commentary. It adds noise without adding knowledge. Check the market weekly. Read project updates when they publish them. Skip the daily "here's what's happening" videos entirely. 2. Separate price commentary from education. Videos explaining how blockchain works, what DeFi is, how to read a white paper, that's signal. Videos predicting price movements with urgency, that's noise regardless of who makes them. 3. Return to your thesis. You own what you own for reasons you researched before buying. Has anything about the project fundamentally changed? If no, a YouTuber's prediction is irrelevant to your decision. 4. Understand that uncertainty is permanent. Nobody knows what Bitcoin will do next month. Not Benjamin Cowen, not Altcoin Daily, not any channel with any number of subscribers. If someone tells you they know, they're either lying or delusional. The creators posting fear content aren't your enemies. They're running a content business inside an algorithm that rewards fear. Understanding that doesn't make the content useful. It just explains why it exists. Your job is to filter for signal and ignore the noise. The signal is fundamentals, on-chain data, project development, adoption metrics. The noise is weekly price predictions, bubble warnings, and watch immediately titles from channels that post 3 videos a day. Comment the last crypto prediction you saw online that turned out to be completely wrong. I want to see how much noise this audience has been filtering through. Next video, Crypto Taxes Explained, what the government actually tracks, what counts as a taxable event, and how to avoid being blindsided at the end of the year. Subscribe to Unbanked. The old money had a head start. You have the internet.